Commander-in-Chief, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., wearing a Philippine Air Force military uniform, witnesses the acceptance, turnover, and blessing of the C-295 medium-lift aircraft acquired by the Philippine Air Force in a ceremony at the Clark Air Base in Pampanga on March 7, 2023. The C-295 medium-lift aircraft being officially turned over is one of the 3 units acquired from Spain under a new contract through the Modernization Program Horizon 2 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Manufactured by Airbus Defence and Space, the twin turboprop transport aircraft is the newest generation of tactical airlift in the light and medium segment that can be utilized for various missions such as medical evacuation, paradrop, airdrop, civic and humanitarian airlift missions, among others. According to the PAF, the aircraft will complement its capability, as well as that of the AFP as a whole, in patrolling our territorial waters in the West Philippine Sea, and in providing airlift support in times of disasters and calamities. In its recent operations, the PAF has been utilizing C-295 aircraft extensively to transport relief goods and equipment, and evacuate affected communities following consecutive typhoons and flooding. With all 3 Airbus Casa C-295Mw medium tactical transport aircraft delivered to the Philippine Air Force as part of the medium-lift aircraft Phase 2 acquisition project under the Horizon 2 phase of revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, we can now say that the project is complete. It remains to be seen if more will be acquired under the Horizon 3 phase.